Changing a widget on Coinbase is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the dashboard. The dashboard is the main page of your account where you can view your balances, transaction history, and other account information. On the dashboard, you will see a variety of widgets that provide different types of information, such as your account balance, price charts, and recent transactions. To change a widget, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the widget you want to change. This will open a menu with options to edit or remove the widget. If you want to replace the widget with a different one, click on the Remove option and then click on the Add Widget button. This will take you to a page where you can browse through the available widgets and select the one you want to add. Coinbase offers a range of widgets, including price charts, order books, and transaction history. Once you have selected the widget you want to add, click on the Add button and the widget will be added to your dashboard. You can then customize the widget by clicking on the three dots at the top right corner and selecting the Edit option. This will allow you to change the settings and preferences of the widget, such as the type of data it displays and the time frame. It is also possible to rearrange the widgets on your dashboard by clicking and dragging them to the desired position. This allows you to prioritize the information that is most important to you and customize your dashboard to meet your needs. In addition to changing widgets, you can also use the Coinbase mobile app to access your account and view your widgets on the go. The mobile app provides a similar range of widgets and customization options as the web-based dashboard, allowing you to stay up to date with your account information wherever you are. Overall, changing a widget on Coinbase is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and customizing your widgets, you can create a personalized dashboard that provides you with the information you need to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio effectively.